Welcome back to Gender Discourse, and today we are discussing whether remarriages are acceptable today. Kamal, would you like to answer the gentleman?
वेणुगोपाल, आपका आंसर जो है वो पहले भी मैंने दिया और इस टॉक शो के माध्यम से मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि व्हेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज मिस्ड आउट फॉर द ऑब्जेक्ट देन इट्स सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स कम अप। तो इसी तरह से जो उद्देश्य था शादी का, जब वो हट करके वस्तुओं पे आ गया तो ये पहले ही मान लीजिए कि इस विवाह का कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है और ये बिल्कुल निरर्थक विवाह है। तो इट्स जस्ट अ वेडिंग दैट्स गोइंग टू हैपन, बट देयर विल नॉट बी एनी मैरिज।
Varsha, do you think remarriages should be by mutual consent and not arranged?
Yes, Sohaila. Remarriages work better when you choose your companion. Both choose their companions. In my case, it was a remarriage for both of us, and we chose each other. When you are thrust upon by an alliance, then those fears arise, which Amrita and Kamal have been talking about. When you choose yourself, then you've worked out everything, you've discussed everything. Your life is an open book, his life is an open book, and there's nothing to conceal. So everything is so candid, and you don't choose each other because of some deficit in life. You don't choose each other because of any compulsions, be it financial, be it physical, be it emotional. You choose each other because you deserve to be loved.
That's right. We have Shivendra from Punjab. Shivendra, please ask your question.
हेलो।
हाँ जी।
जी मैम, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ जो रीमैरिज एक सेकंड टाइप एडजस्टमेंट ही है एक तरह की
जी।
तो उसमें जो हमारे जो पीछे गलतियाँ हो चुकी हैं उसको हमने पीछे छोड़कर ही आगे जाना पड़ता है। एक तरह की एडजस्टमेंट ही करनी पड़ती है उसमें
जी।
चाहे उसमें साथ में कोई बच्चा भी हो तब भी हमें उसमें एडजस्टमेंट ही करनी पड़ती है बेसिकली। और कई बार फैसले थोपे जाते हैं मैरिज करने के लिए
जी।
केवल लड़की के लिए थोड़ी ज्यादा कंपल्शन हो जाती है जी। हाँ जी भाई।
तो आपका सवाल क्या है? कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं आप?
हाँ जी मैडम, मेरा सवाल ये है कि इसमें हमारी सोसाइटी का जो फैसले है वो ज्यादातर फोर्सली थोपे जाते हैं, चाहे वो कानून में हो चाहे वो सामाजिक उसमें हो।
Right. Yes, talking about
yeah, it's a very valid question. I'd like to put up feedback here because
yes.
This is what we deal morning to evening, and we've been doing it for past 15 years now, seen thousands of marriages. One message I want to give to the society: please, the marriage is between the girl and the boy, so facilitate that love between the two of them. And it's really unfortunate in our countries, it's more of a joint family setup. Even if the couple is living in London, we've got cases that a couple is living in London, but the mother-in-law calls up from here and says, ये पर्दे नए क्यों लगवा लिए तुमने, अभी तो 6 महीने पहले हम आए थे, they were very good पर्दास. So we have to help them know that please let them be having their own autonomy towards their own happiness. So facilitate rather than
disrupt their own
life.
Yeah.
Varsha, did you have to make a lot of adjustments in your second marriage?
Adjustment is a very harsh word, Sohaila. When you choose to remarry, it's not adjustments. It is that you take a decision that I want to live my life.
Right.
So live my life is a big bonus that you are asking for, and you don't make compromises for that. You choose a way of life.
Right.
So उसको उस तरह से देखना होगा।
जी जी। और दूसरी चीज है which I feel is that you should forget about the previous marriage. Many times when the previous spouse is dead, the spouse who is remarried compares. There are comparisons. That is also not very healthy for marriage. What do you feel?
It's absolutely
there are
unhealthy.
many cases like that.
Yeah. In fact, you know, it's very sad, but it's true that second marriages usually suffer by comparison most of the time. But I would always ask people who are going in for second marriages is that you have to make a conscious decision to choose why you're getting married. You should not be getting married for the second time for the wrong reasons.
Right.
Especially the first time there were compulsions, there were parental pressures or maybe whatever, the society pressures. But the second time has to be your choice. Nobody else should decide that for you. It has to be your choice. Because otherwise you actually move from, like I was telling them, from the frying pan into the fire.
From a bad situation to a worse one.
To worse.
Well, some of the don'ts for marriages, remarriages, some of the don'ts would be loneliness, obligation, peer pressure, financial security, escape, or they are the one kind of situation, sexual attraction, and on the rebound. These are the no-nos. If you marry for these reasons, most likely the marriage will not work.
Yes.
I have a question for you, Kamal. in situations where there are children on both sides, when they are growing up together, they know that they are not related by blood. There is also that kind of sexual awakening, especially if they are teenagers. There have been cases of intimacy in the same household, and that has a tendency to, you know, completely rupture the marriage and rent asunder families. So would you like to comment on that?
So I'll say that these are very rarest of the rare cases.
But
They
how do you
happen.
handle such a
How do you handle such a
situation?
cases where
Very delicate.
yeah, it's delicate, where you so first of all you have to accept that yes, this has happened. It can happen and it has happened, and then you take your steps ahead. Any mistake can happen. So mistake is obviously when you miss, you know, taking the reality.
Yes.
So you work on that reality, accepting it first of all, and then very humbly and openly taking those small baby steps towards finally fine-tuning the whole scenario again.
Right. And Varsha, would say the pros for remarriage would be, you know, you're older, maturer, there's a better understanding of the second spouse, you know, and it's like practice makes perfect. Then you also have that strong desire to do it right this time. You know, that's a predominant force. And also you have a sense of gratitude for being given a second chance. Would you agree with me?
I wouldn't fully agree with you,
Okay,
Sohaila.
okay.
It's not that there's gratitude that you've been given a second chance. This is a chance that you take yourself.
Yes.
You grab it for yourself.
Right.
So there's no gratitude. And there's nothing to be worried about if you're getting into a second marriage.
Right.
Because you're getting it for the right reasons.
Right. There's Bhanu Das from Latur. And Bhanu, would you like to ask a question?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to ask a question about that. When you are a girl, either 23 or 25 years old, and she lost her husband, whenever she wants to marry, but there is nobody as a young boy, he doesn't want to marry with that one. But whenever a male person who lost his wife, there are many girls, young girls, at first time there are many girls, they are ready to marry with. Are you getting me what I am going to tell you? समाज में ऐसे है
जी.
जो woman first whenever she lost her husband, समाज में ऐसा कोई यंग नहीं आता, पुरुष नहीं आता कि मैं उसके साथ रिमैरिज करूंगा.
जी.
लेकिन मेल अगर रहता है, उसकी वाइफ वो लॉस्ट करता है, तो यंग शादी नहीं की वाली लड़कियां उनके साथ शादी करने के लिए तैयार होती हैं.
This is what we were discussing earlier, that it's
Yeah.
easier for a man,
Yes, it
and
is.
a much married man, to get married again than for a woman.
This
So-
is because the kind of society that we have.
Right.
We still have a male-dominated society, and women is still taken to be as a substance here, where it's really sad. You know, even
Yeah.
as I said, I mentioned about a high-profile matchmaker, which means people who are really educated, really at that level of society where it should not matter to them. Still, if
Yes.
they are thinking of distribution of wealth, still they are thinking about that I should. Okay, they go for girls who are not married. So a person who's divorced wants a girl who's not married. You know, this is the state of
Yes,
affairs.
but I don't think it's only a question of children. We still, as a society, give predominance to virginity, the unsullied girls.
See, that's what the objective is still missed. It should be more. People should be talking about why marriage, as Amrita said and Varsha said. There should be why you're marrying. What's the purpose of marriage?
Yes.
This should be educated in our school systems, rather than it's a very important matter. You know,
Right.
we don't have that kind of thing. What is marriage? It's a very core quadrant of life,
Right.
a family.
So what do we then? How do we compare rural to urban India? What do you think is the situation in villages in India?
It's
I
much
mean,
better.
Yes,
It's much
because in
better.
some tribes the girls are allowed to just walk
Yes.
out of the
You
marriage
just go
if
to
it's
the
a marriage
panchayat
at all,
and
a
you say, I
partnership.
want to get out of this marriage.
Or
and,
I want to live
marry
with this man.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
places
better.
like Haryana, the woman is more powerful. She is more powerful. She actually has more control. You know, if you go relatively, I'll say, I don't have figures and facts, but then relatively, this is what we've observed. So, if we talk about the other sector, you know, they don't think much. Here in metros or cities or big towns, people think, and thinking is a sin actually. Thinking is where you actually, you know, you point out at certain facts which may be true or not true. You don't mingle with the person. You don't have an objective. So even in rural areas, its situation is better because the woman is said that you have to respect your man. The man says that you have to take care of woman, otherwise her whole village will come in our home and they'll kill all of us.
Yes,
So,
and-
so they have to position.
And they
at
also
least is better.
Yes, and the women have a choice
They
of
have
the
a
man they
choice.
want to live with.
Correct.
Bheels and Santhals are the
Yeah.
tribal groups.
The whole panchayat, as
Yes.
Varsha said, is supporting the woman.
Yes.
And the man's family also says that you are supposed to give love
Right.
to your wife.
But
I-
urban India is in contrast, Suhaila.
Yeah,
Confusion.
we'll
It's in
discuss
con-
urban
yes.
India right after this short break. We're going in for our final break and we'll be back soon.